Hello again. Today we're going to have a look at Apple's new AirPod Max. Let's get started. Coming in at £549 in the UK and $549 in the US, these are Apple's new AirPods Max. Now I chose the space grey colour because I prefer the black at the top. I think that will get the least dirty when you're carrying and holding it. The box is very nice. It's got embossed writing and pictures of the AirPods inside. And there they are on the back in their case. Looks familiar. Very nice overall design. Box is quite heavy. Let's open it up and see what we've got. Now I haven't watched any videos about this because I wanted to have my own opinion instead of other people's, but so far so good. Right, okay, let's open this up. Always a nice unboxing experience with Apple products. There we go. Oh. I thought the case was white for a moment there. It's got some paper on it. There's a strong smell like almonds. Maybe bitter almonds. Isn't that arsenic? Never mind. Right, so we've got a Type-C cable to Lightning in the box. No charging plug in here. Right, okay, let's have a look in here. So we've got some... What's that? Thought it was stickers for a minute. Right, so we've got some paperwork, quick start guide, and no stickers, unfortunately. I was hoping they were going to come with some space grey stickers as well. Never mind. Obviously, we're saving the planet by taking away the plug and the stickers. Right, it's got a little bit of paper on here. Let's take that off as well. I thought, there we go. Right, so let's take this paper off. They put paper on there, yet they couldn't include a couple of stickers. Shame. Right, so here we are. Let's have a quick look around. Okay, I thought that was a belt loop, but it's not. Right, nice looking. I do like the stainless steel with the space grey. I think the space grey would have looked nicer if it was a little bit darker. But it is what it is, and it looks nice anyway. The purple tints and pink tints that you see in the pictures are from my lights on the wall. They are just a uniform space grey. Okay, so these are the famous Earcups that I've been hearing too much information on them being expensive. The case is where the smell is coming from. It's got a really nice smell, and it's got like a suede interior, microfiber maybe. Very nice looking. Nice feel. Feels a bit like the case on the iPad Pro, the keyboard cover. Okay, very nice. Okay. They feel nice. They've got some weight to them, but they're not as heavy as I thought they would be. When I heard that they were going to be metal, I thought they'd be built like tanks. But no, they're not too heavy. I don't like the way that they hit together though. Right, so on the bottom there you've got a little white light flashing and your lightning cable port. Now these have nine microphones, 8 of which are for noise cancellation. You've got a little button there for the cancellation and transparency, and the volume is controlled with the other dial. The dial is like the Apple Watch, so you can scroll it and push it, and you can use it for play, pause, and volume control. If you double click it, you can control the tracks. So if you double click, it goes forward, triple click and it will go back, press it once and it will pause. Pairing light is on the bottom there, and I've included a little piece of writing here because I was taking a long time looking at it. The pairing light had actually stopped working, so I had to set it up a bit more. Right, so here we go, normal type of thing, comes up with your connecting, and then as you can see there it says Paul's AirPods Max connected. The overall build again, I'm just looking at, right, so it's got adjustment there. No notches, no clicks, it's just pressure fitted, so it's nice and smooth, like a piston or a shock absorber on a car maybe. Very nice build. Right, let's have a look at these ear cups. Right, so they're very loose, they just pop on, pop off, and they've got microfiber inside. There you can see the driver grille, and in there there's also a sensor to allow it to know when it's on your head. Right, this top piece, I was worried that it was going to be a plastic mesh, but it isn't. It is a plastic coated nylon mesh. You can feel that. It's like a like the old headrests in cars a few years back. They had that same mesh in there, and it feels nice. Very, very nice. Very, very cold in the hand with the metal, but they don't stand out far from your head, which is good. Right, so they've got left and right inside the cups as well. A little bit hard to see, but they're there. They're nice and slim fitting. Okay, let's find some music to play. Right, I'm going to listen to a couple of different things to see what they sound like, and I'll describe as best I can. You have to remember that these will have between 6 and 8 hours of listening before the drivers have burnt in nicely. Okay, some people, they stick them straight off out of the box onto their head and they say, oh, they don't sound very bassy or they don't sound very good. But you have to allow that time for the units to burn in, and then after that time they'll sound much better. Right, let's have a little listen to this one. This is a German band called About Barbara. Very good song, this one, and it's like an EDM track, which is really good for the bass. Okay, I've got it at half volume, a little bit louder. Okay, that's about as loud as I would want to go, which is 3/4. So they do get plenty loud enough. The bass sounds good, the vocals sound very nice, and the instruments sound good as well. Okay, nice and clear. Her voice is coming through very nicely. Okay, let's try another one. Let's try some classic rock. Or in the day, I think it was heavy metal rather than rock. Yeah, again, this sounds very nice. Very, very good. Good bass. Good instruments. Okay, let's see what else we got. Let's try this one. Yeah, again. Okay, vocals coming through clear as well. Guitar and drums. Very, very nice. Right, these sound, out of the box, they sound really, really good. I apologise if I'm shouting, because I'm listening at the same time. They really do sound very good. Right, so when it's got transparency mode on, I can hear the fingers clicking but without, when it's got noise cancellation, you can hear them slightly. Now these noise cancellation are not as good as the Bang & Olufsen H9s, and they're not as good as the AirPods Pro. But I'm wearing glasses, so it could be letting in a little bit. Right, so play, pause, volume adjustment. Oh, it works flawlessly. Beautiful, beautiful. Let me know in the comments if you picked these up and if you like them, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.